Hi everyone, today we're going to make tofu scramble with avocado toast. These are the ingredients. Spices include red pepper, turmeric, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. Produce include avocados, green onion, and red chard, as well as red onion, yellow onion, garlic, lemon, and red bell pepper. One of my favorites, mushrooms. We're using super firm tofu and sourdough bread. We use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, but you also can use grapeseed oil. Go ahead and prep your veggies. Spices include 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne, red chili pepper, turmeric, and salt. To start the tofu scramble, put the oil in the pan. Add your onions, garlic, and red bell pepper. Let simmer. Add spices in. Stir and simmer. Add the red chard. Cook down. Add mushrooms. Add crumbled up tofu. We add a little extra turmeric for color, and then we let it cook down. Next, we put the bread in the oven on broil for a few minutes. Once the bread is toasted, we're going to add our avocado. Use a fork to mash your avocado. Then spread it evenly with a knife. Add your thinly sliced red onion and then your green onion. With our avocado toast done, it's time to plate our tofu scramble. Add your avocado slices on top of the scramble and add a little cayenne pepper, black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Thanks for watching, everyone.